Okay. Hello, today we will be talking about foil, not the tin foil kind of foil, although it is shiny. This foil is a mathematical foil. Basically, you foil to put two binomial equations together, and the F stands for first, O stands for out, I stands for inner, and L stands for last. Of course, this kind of sounds like hoopla because you don't have any visuals. Well, you will get visuals in just uno momento, so no need to worry, children. Alright, so we are going to have an example of 3x plus 2 and x minus 1. We are now going to use FOIL. So remember that F is first, so we're going to multiply our first by the first, and then we're going to multiply our first by the out, which is the FO in FOIL. We will then do our inners, and lastly, well, I kind of just gave it away, we're going to do last. And so as a result of this, you would get 3x squared minus 3x. And you will also get a positive 2x and a minus 2. And all together, this is going to equal 3x squared minus x minus 2. Now we're going to put a pretty little bubble around it. If you need help with understanding why that is the way it is, I shall explain that to you as well in a new problem because YOLO. Hopefully that's not outdated. And our next example will be the following: x minus 7 and 2x plus 5. So you all know what FOIL is, first out, inner, last. We're just going to go ahead and explain it. When you're doing this, you're going to combine the x's to the 2 to make 2x squared. After that, you're going to combine the x and the 5. Because the 5 is a positive, you're going to do plus 5x. After that, you're going to do the inners. And because this is going to end in an x and it is not squared, we're going to go ahead and put it right under just to solve it in a more easier way. So solving this, it's going to be a negative 14 with an x. And then lastly, well, yeah, just again, you got to do last, which will equal to minus 12. So you're going to solve this part first. And long story short, if only this was a narrative story, you would get 2x squared minus 9x minus 12. And yes, I will also do a pretty little bubble because it looks cute. I actually think it's a cloud, but whatever. If you guys want one more example, okie dokie, I shall give you another example, because I'm going to be nice like that. So the next example would be 4x squared and x minus 5. So what you're doing is you're putting these together to get you 4x cubed, and then you're going to put these together to get a minus 20x squared, because here you multiplied. And yeah, another long story short thing, that's your answer. I gave up on the pretty little bubble. And yeah, that's basically it. Not really much you need to know. So, ta-da!